come back to Mong Kok and we've had a change of clothes.
Yeah.
We kind of went back in the flat and rested for like, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. And now we're heading out to get chicken pot. Oh, you were like that. It was gonna hit you or something. Yeah, when we got in, the security lady was a bit like funny, like asking questions and stuff. So we were like, we don't know how to answer. Like, I don't even know the surname of the Airbnb guy. Blah, blah, blah.
We didn't even know what number of the apartment.
Yeah, like because the apartment doesn't have a number on it. We're like, we don't know anything. We're just going up to second floor.
That bus journey though.
Yeah, I was.
Insane. It was like we were just on a roller coaster the whole way.
Yeah.
Like we flew through there, so there were like potholes and we just flew through them.
Yeah, like apparently it was like the fastest bus that is a big leap. It's a big leap. Apparently it was like the fastest bus that Simon had ever been on or something.
I felt so scared.
Yeah, Ted was like asleep, but he was like rocking everywhere apparently. I felt myself banging my head against the window, but that was about it. It's here, lộc lộc cay, mà là cay bò. Can you see? We are going through the menu now. At first we only had this Chinese one and we were like, this is gonna take a long time. And we asked them for an English one instead. So you kind of just like take it like with dim sum. So this is the chicken pot selection, and then all the rest is pretty much hot pot stuff. So I just wanted to quickly explain what chicken pot is. It's a saucy, it's a sweet and spicy chicken dish that is cooked with vegetables and you eat it as a group together. It's full of like peppercorns and onions, coriander and all of those really spicy, amazing flavours. So it's really, really tasty. And then when you're finished with the meat and then most of the veg, you fill up the pot with some broth and then you can enjoy it as a Chinese hot pot, and it will have all of the chicken pot flavours in it, so it's delicious. So I've not yet seen this dish available in the UK, so I was devastated, but I actually found this amazing recipe online for chicken pot from Bob's Your Uncle on YouTube that I now know off by heart, and my friends love when I make this. It's the tastiest thing ever. So it's a must try for all you spicy mala lovers, so I'm going to link it below for everyone to try.
Okay, I'm actually really honest. Yours is actually like way better.
Do you think yours is better?
I'm kind of tasting it again, and like it's not very spicy. There's not enough of the flavours I like.
Yours is a bit more like sweeter.
You heard that, guys. Say it again.
Yours is a bit more sweeter and more flavoursome. I feel like quite bad for eating this, how greasy it is, but I feel like it's so like caramelised. I felt like not as bad. I felt like it was
really? Who knows, maybe. Yeah, it's still nice, but it's not like as like it doesn't have like the spices. Like I can't really taste the star anise as much, or say even the peppercorns. Like I'm not even seeing any peppercorns in there.
I couldn't even taste.
It's really strange because last time we couldn't. It's because it's with that. So because we had still that last time, so it was like peppercorns everywhere. So our second pot is waiting for us over there. It's just cooking away. So we pretty much finished this one. We asked the lady if we could change. Well, asked her if we could change it from maybe that to seal that of that one. So yeah, it turns out this one doesn't actually really have any mala or yum in it. So that might be why it's lacking some flavour. It's lacking the peppercorn. So I'm really excited to eat that one now because that should be the chicken pot that I remember gazing longingly at the chicken pot cooking over there. So you just gotta finish our bits. A lot of our hot pot stuff has come already as well, just waiting. So yeah.
Initially, I was really tasting like
so excited.
What Joyce makes, I realised it's like the wrong thing.
Yeah,
I'll show you guys. It actually looks quite similar, but the main thing is it's got some sort of peppercorns in, so I'm really excited to do this one.
What did you think of the one you've just eaten?
I thought it was quite spicy.
Spicy? You must be kidding. There was no spice. Winnie, confirm how there was no spice.
It was like just a tone. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Joyce, Joyce, was it spicy?
No, it was not spicy.
Yeah, I'm not sure these guys.
Okay, let me finish this first. So I've tried some of this new piece of chicken, the sillat one. It's just one flavour, I like it more. Yeah, I'm really glad we switched it now. I'm glad our full chicken wasn't just the bibila. Oh yeah, so we have finished and it's now, we're waiting for it to come to a boil. She's just added some ting tong in there. Now we're gonna hot pot. We have actually just finished eating. I'm so full. Like after coming out of it, I'm like, ooh. And then they gave us like these tiny little mochis, and it was yummy. It was ice cream mochis, so that was nice. It felt like we were there for quite a while because the whole place just cleared out. I mean, it is about midnight now, so maybe that's why. But it was tasty, it was yummy. I'm glad we managed to take these guys over. Simon, on his, I've caught him in action, he's just always stalking these cars, and like the street is full of them, all these like Asian style cars. Taking a slow walk home, seeing if there's any desserts or anything like that still open. What did you think of the meal?
It was good.
It was good? Yeah. You full? Yeah. I'm so full. My bed, I can't walk properly, I'm really full. I'm tired. This is Ted's chocolate mocha thing. It's meant to be cotton shaved ice, so it's supposed to be more soft. Can you see all the ridges? I'm quite interested. Concentration. Okay, can you eat it and let us know if it's nice?
I'll let you know exactly how good it is.
Yummy.
It's the yummiest thing ever, and it tastes way better than raw cake.
I want to try some. Wait, I'm not missing out on this.
Spoon here. You guys want to try? Use Joseph's spoon.
It's an interesting texture.
So, we made a wing.
Wow. This is smoky.
That's pretty good.
It's actually smoky. You can smell it. What is it?
It's so nice.
I want to break it open, but I do want to still eat this.
I'm not quite sure how to do this, but
Like mushing it all into here. Actually, I realised that there's one more like little biscuit, like it's like a biscuity Oreo layer at the bottom of the ice cream. So like all the biscuits gone in, all the cake's gone in, so I've just got like a big mishmash bowl right now, which actually tastes quite nice. There's something in this cake that like is a bit strange to me. It's a bit like savoury, and I tasted it in Simon's one as well. Like, I can't. It just hangs around in my mouth, and I don't really like it. But the ice cream is nice, smashed together. Do you want to try some?
I like the base.
I don't think I like the smokiness.
There's a cookie. There's a cookie. That's just the biscuit. Everything together.
It's like eating a curry with a crocodile.
Simon's eating it like a curry.
This is his curry instincts coming in. You know, when in doubt, just eat it like a bubble gum. We've just finished dessert. We came out of this lucky dessert. It's so. The prices are a bit high, I think. Like Simon said quite rightly, it's like half the price of our dinner. So I'm not sure. But anyway, it's directly opposite our apartment. Oh yeah. I'm going to end the vlog here now. It is, what time is it? It is 10 to 2. Legs are finally, like, they're getting quite achy, like post hike, just a bit numb. And we're all just gonna get ready for bed now, methinks. So early morning tomorrow for beach, which I'm excited about. That's gonna be just chill. We're just gonna lay in the sand. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.